Hey friends, today I'm being a tourist in my own city of Chicago, and I am going to get on the architectural boat tour through Wendella Boat Rides. And I must say, it was actually a pretty fun tour. This tour was 90 minutes. We docked at the Michigan Avenue location, and if you're gonna go there, you want to go to the northwest corner of Michigan Avenue, and the entry is there. You have to go down the stairs to get there. So if you are handicapped, you may want to ask, how do you get down there? Because there's tons of stairs. Okay, so during the tour, we did see a lot. We began the boat tour on the Chicago River before venturing out to Lake Michigan. While out at Lake Michigan, we went along Navy Pier, and of course, we got to see the iconic Chicago skyline. As a tourist, it's cool to see the Sears Tower or Willis Tower from that view, as well as the John Hancock Building in Lake Point Towers. We didn't venture out too far from Navy Pier. I wish we were able to go out to see the Shed Aquarium from that view, but that's okay. It was still a great day to take the tour because while we were cruising, the jets were out for the air and water show, and the pilots are out practicing. While being on the boat, we got some amazing views of the practice session. As you can see, I'm trying my best to catch up with these planes. It's so funny. They move out so fast, but eventually I did get a cool shot towards the end of this video, and you'll be able to check that out. While on the river, we were basically winding around as if we were riding down Upper Wacker Drive. You do get to see a lot of the most fantastic architecture along the river. The boat tour guide had tons of historic information about the city, about the architecture, as well as talking about a few things about Chicago and the folklore that is known in our city. Once we were back at the river, we went towards Kinsey Avenue and turned around from there to go back east to the docking area. This was really nice because everyone on both sides of the boats got a chance to see both sides of the river, especially, for photography and videography. I would definitely say if you are into the air and water show, the best view is from the boat. This was my first time doing it, and I've been a Chicagoan for almost since birth. And I would say that this was the best way to see the Blue Angels while they were practicing that Thursday. The Air and Water Show is usually around the third weekend of August, and the practice runs are that Thursday and Friday. So that's a hint for anyone that's traveling to Chicago. But yeah, the tour is about 90 minutes, and the tour guide, like I said, is very knowledgeable. You can see that there are some more planes out here. And I'm telling you, the tour guide, he was making some really funny jokes about that because all the attention was no longer on him once the jets were out there. So on my way back to my car, I got a few shots of Michigan Avenue. This is really cool by Millennium Park. You can see the sculpture, you're spitting out water, but there's a lot of kids out there getting wet too. And here are the lions at the Art Museum. I definitely had a fun day touring Chicago as a Chicagoan.